before, before.
At a place that you arrive at first when traveling towards another place.
The hospital is just before the bridge.
Earlier than the time when something happens.
He was a teacher before he became famous. Before he could reach the door, she quickly closed it. Before we make a decision, does anyone want to say anything else?
At an earlier time, or on a previous occasion.
He said he had never seen her before. I feel as though I've been here before.
Do. Do.
Do. Do. Do. Overdue. Did. Done.
Used in a phrase at the end of a sentence to make the sentence a question.
You like her, don't you? Sarah lives near here, doesn't she? You didn't ask him, did you?
Something you say when politely asking if you can do something, or when asking someone else to do something.
Do you mind if I put the television on?
To make or produce something.
I've done 20 copies of the handout. They do really good cakes in the cafe.
Used for talking or asking about someone and whether they are healthy, happy, or succeeding.
Hi, how are you doing? How is Freya doing? She's doing really well, thanks.
To perform a sports activity.
She does yoga in her spare time.
Middle. Middle.
Middle. Middle.
In the central part, or in a central position.
This is my class photo. I'm the one in the middle. He was standing in the middle of the road. The middle of the road was covered with weeds. Bottom. Bottom.
The flat surface on the lowest side of something.
There was a label on the bottom of the box.
The lowest position in a group, organization, etc.
At school, Einstein was at the bottom of his class. Put. Put. Putting, put.
To write something.
She puts her name in all her books. I've put the date of the party in my diary. He asked me to put more information in about the costs. Suppose. Suppose. Suppose, supposedly.
Used to show that you are not certain about something.
It was quite interesting, I suppose. I couldn't get any reply when I called Dan, so I suppose that he's gone out. Race. Race. Race, racism, racist, racial, racist, racially.
A competition in which people run, ride, drive, etc. against each other in order to see who is the fastest.
A horse race. She won or lost the race. Let's have a race.
poor, poor,
poor, poor, poorly, poorly.
Used to show sympathy for someone.
The poor girl didn't have any friends. That cold sounds terrible, poor you.
Furniture, furniture.
Objects such as chairs, tables, and beds that you put into a room or building.
They have a lot of antique furniture. The only piece or item of furniture he has in his bedroom is a bed.
Seventh, seventh.
Seventh written as a word.
It's the 7th of May, today. Our team came in 7th.
aeroplane, aeroplane,
aeroplane, aeroplane,
Aeroplane, aeroplane.
A vehicle that flies and has at least one engine and wings.
She has her own private aeroplane.
Final, final.
Final, finally.
Last in a series or coming at the end of something.
A final warning or offer. The final paragraph. West Ham scored in the final minute.
Love, love,
Love, love, love, lover, love, lovely.
Used to say that you would very much like something.
I'd love some chocolate right now. I'd love to be an actor.
Used to say that you would very much like to do something that someone has suggested.
Would you like to come to the concert with us? I'd love to. We'd love to go to the beach, thanks for inviting us.
Something you write at the end of a letter, email, etc. to a friend or someone in your family.
Love from Mom. All my love, Louise. Who?
Used at the beginning of a relative clause to show which person or group of people you are talking about.
That's the man who I saw in the bank. I think it was your dad who phoned. He rang James, who was a good friend as well as the family doctor.
Keyboard, keyboard.
A set of keys that you press to use a computer.
I got a new keyboard and mouse for my computer.
An electrical musical instrument similar to a piano, or the set of keys on a piano or similar musical instrument.
Steve plays keyboards, drums, and saxophone.